sorry about no video yesterday. Hubby has been poorly and he still is, but I've got him settled and he's in bed now, so I thought I'd better just pop on and have a quick look at my advent calendar, because it's stopping me from watching all my YouTube videos and going on Instagram because I don't want any spoilers. Okay, he's doing okay, so yeah, fingers crossed we'll be back to normal tomorrow. But anyway, we'll have a quick look in my advent calendar. So we've got 2 boxes to open today. So where were we? Oh, number 13. So let's have a look at number 13. What's one of the little boxes? Oh, that's sounding a bit... Yeah, could quite possibly be drills again, so let's have a look and see what we've got this time. Oh, this box opens this way this time, look. Let's see if we can get this one. What have we got? Oh, look. More green squares. These are going to be really handy, aren't they, for Christmas cards and things, and doing Christmas pictures. And I do a lot of pictures with Scottie dogs and animals on, and they will quite often have a green, a grass or a tree background, so that will be nice. Just quickly tip a few out. As I say, it will just be a quick video today. Keeping an ear open, see if Hubby wakes up. Oh, can't get these out. Gosh, that was a toughie. Quite full, not quite as full as the other days. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, they're a lovely, like an emeraldy green. Look at the sparkle. Very pretty. So yeah, I do like these new square gems. I shall certainly be looking out for other colours. And I can imagine they're going to be very, very useful. Because sometimes you just need a gem rather than an AB coated. Sometimes you need that direct sparkle rather than that hint of sparkle. Okay, so that's number 13. And then we'll just have a quick look at number... Oh, what was that? I thought I saw something. Oh, look! Aha! Just one of the little rubber bands that goes around the single places, the steel places, look. So we'll add that back into that box so we don't lose it. I thought I just saw something out the corner of my eye. Say, my eyes aren't brilliant, but every now and again I just catch a glimpse of things. So we'll put that one back in there and keep that one safe. And then we'll put number 15. Oh, don't rattle it, don't rattle it. I don't want to know what it is. That's tomorrow's. Number 13, so let's have a look. Oh, number 14 is quite a biggish one. I'll pop these away. Oh, no movement at all. No sound, no movement, so I don't know what this one is. Okay, as I say, I've been avoiding unboxings. Oh, nice. So, we have some rainbow tweezers. Very nice. Look at the colours on those, and they are the very sharp tweezers. Look at the point on that. Wow, the very sharp tweezers. So yeah, keep the lid on. It's got an extra long lid, this one as well, otherwise you're likely to stab yourself. I tend to have like a little pencil case or something, or keep them in a drawer, and the amount of times that I've reached in for something and stabbed myself with my tweezers because the ends come off. So yeah, okay, very nice. So they're quite a good one as well. Look, quite a nice solid reasonable weight one, so they're not a cheapie. Nice smooth edges, so they're not going to cut you or whatever. Sometimes the edges aren't finished off on some of the tweezers and they're not very good, so that's a pretty good present. But yeah, that was good, wasn't it? Because usually, you know, that would rattle if they'd have put it the other way, but because they've wedged it right in, there was no rattle whatsoever on that, so that was a really good surprise. So yes, that's 13 and 14 all done. I am enjoying my advent calendar. I think it's got quite a lot of nice things in it. So there's no Milly today and no Hubby, with Hubby being poorly, and Milly is just being nurse Milly at the moment and looking after him. So what I'll do with this video, if you want to see them, is just put some little photographs of Milly and Maisie, our previous Scottie, dressed up in some of their little Christmas outfits, and yeah, just a bit of fun. If you want to watch to the end, that's great. But I hope you've enjoyed this little short video, and I do appreciate you stopping by and, as I say, watching me, because there are a lot to watch at the moment. So thanks for stopping by. If you've enjoyed it, please press that thumbs up button, and if you want to see me again, see what we get up to another day, if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.